friends, welcome back to post-year anniversary episode of Heart to Palate. I'm very excited to share this recipe because this is my most favorite, all-time favorite recipe, which is vada pav. And I used to always make this irrespective of whatever other menu she might have. But this was an integral part of my birthday celebration. Be it pav bhaji asal saidla, misal asal saidla, pizza asal saidla, but still she would make this vada pav every year. So this is like very dear to me. Another anecdote I would like to share about this vada pav, that very own Mumbai vada pav was invented by my very own mama, Shri Ashok Vaidya, and he's the one who invented vada pav in 1966 in Mumbai, and I'm very proud to share with you all. He did not get that much recognition when he was alive, but I'm really proud that he's finally getting recognized for this particular dish, and I'm very proud to say that I'm his bhaji. And I would like to share the recipe for vada pav today. And I'm very proud to say that his son is till date taking forward the legacy of his dad, and his name is Narendra Vaidya, and even though by profession he is a dress designer, and also he's educated and he's done his education till MCom, but he still finds pride in taking his dad's legacy forward, and he has his stall at Dadar station on west side. So if you get a chance, please give it a try, and I would say please go and try that vada pav. You are going to enjoy that vada pav. I promise you that. And vada pav, we're going to start with boiling the potatoes first. I've taken about this size potatoes. So एका वड्यांमधून साधारण 3 वडे होतात. तुम्ही अंदाज घ्या तुमचे बटाटे किती मोठे आहेत. त्या हिशोबाने you can always take number of potatoes. For this measurement, I've taken 8 potatoes, so which will make about 24 vadas, because I'm going to make 24 pavs, which I'm going to share the recipe later with you guys. So एवढा साईजचा जो बटाटा आहे साधारण बघा माझ्या हातावर धरला तर पाऊण माझा हात असेल. सो त्याच्यामध्ये 3 वडे होतात. सो त्या हिशोबाने how many ever batata vadas you want to make, you can take those many batatas or potatoes. And then you're going to chop them and just peel them off and then cut them into pieces. I know it's very simple recipe, but still I wanted to share this because this is my first anniversary of my channel, and this is my favorite recipe. So please enjoy. So to begin with, I have taken about 3 tablespoons of oil, which is heating up right now, and I'm adding about 2 to 3 teaspoons of rye, which is mustard seeds, 2 to 3 teaspoons of jeera, and about 1 teaspoon or half a teaspoon of asafoetida to this oil. I'm going to turn off the flame a little bit, and then I'm going to wait on the haldi because you don't want the haldi to burn. Okay. To this, I'm going to add the curry leaves. And I'm adding the crushed garlic now. About 4 to 5 cloves I have taken. असे साधारण बगडाने झेजरून घ्या. You don't want to chop it off also. You need that nice, texture to your garlic, because थोडंसं लसूण दाताला लागली तर छान लागते. Just be careful when you're doing this फोडणी or tempering. I'm adding about 6 teaspoons of ginger garlic and green chili paste. छान तडतडू येत आहे ही फोडणी. To this, I'm going to add my haldi now, which is about 1 teaspoonful of haldi. So कदाचित थोडी मला अजून लागेल असं वाटतंय. I'm going to add about half a teaspoon more. I'm going to let it saute for a bit. छान असा त्याचा सुगंध आला पाहिजे. वडापाव म्हणजे असं झणझणीत असल्याशिवाय मजा येत नाही. And nobody can beat how many of vada pavs I've eaten in my lifetime, because in my college days, every day of my break I would eat 2 vada pavs. That was my thing. बाकी काहीही स्नॅक असू दे, इडली डोसे काही मिळायचं आमच्या कॉलेजच्या जवळ, but I would never compromise for the vada pav. Especially I would like to share when my आई used to give me money to eat vada pav, in like आठवड्यातून एक दिवस आई मला पैसे द्यायची कॅन्टीनमधलं काहीतरी खायला. So she would spare about, when I was younger, maybe my 5th grade, I would say 5th to 7th grade, when she used to give me money to eat snack during my break, मधल्या सुट्टीमध्ये खायला जेव्हा पैसे द्यायची त्यावेळी शी वूड स्पेअर अबाउट 75 सेंट्स. अदर किड्स वूड डेफिनेटली बाय मे बी 1 वडापाव आणि एका 25 पैशाचं लोक पेप्सिकोला बाय करायचे. बट टू मी वडा वॉज सो प्रेशियस. आय वुड ईट 1 वडापाव अँड 1 वडा. आय नेवर कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन दॅट. आय नेवर टेस्टेड पेप्सिकोला इन माय स्कूल ॲट ऑल. So that much I love this vada pav, you can imagine. Being a child, I never was excited about this Pepsi Cola किंवा कोणी त्याचं मला बिलकुल अट्रॅक्शन नव्हतं. पण वडा पाव वॉज माय द डिश. Adding about 2.5 teaspoons of salt to this. I was sorting this masala for about 5 minutes or so. To this I'm going to add about half a cup full of finely chopped coriander, fresh coriander. ती पण मी घालते आणि छान परतून घ्या मसाला. And then I'm going to add the boiled chopped potatoes now. And this is the perfect weather to eat the vada pav because it's nicely raining over here. आणि ह्या सीझनमध्ये नक्की करून बघा कारण की आता मुंबईत पण पाऊस सुरू होणार आहे. Nicely sorted. I'm going to add the chopped potato pieces to this now. आणि छान परतवून घ्यायची ही भाजी. प्रत्येक लोकांची वेगवेगळी पद्धत असते. काही म्हणतात फोडणी करा मग वरून घाला, काही असे करा. पण माझी आई डज इट दिस वे. अँड आई युजली हळद, तिखट, मीठ आणि आलं लसूण बटाण्यानं पण लावून घेते. पण ओव्हर द पिरियड ऑफ टाईम आय फील दिस इज मोर झणझणीत मेथड ऑफ मेकिंग इट. बट नो वन कॅन बीट माय आईज बटाटा वडा अँड ऑल्सो माय मामाज. यू शूड गिव इट अ ट्राय टू दॅट नरेंद्र वैद्यज वडा पाव, which is in Dadar, which is available till date today. So please go and try that. And then please do share your comments about it on my channel if you like it. I'm sure you would love it too. छान परतून घ्या. आणि बटाटे नेहमी असे गार करून घेऊ नका एकदमच कारण मग ती मिळून येत नाही भाजी. आय लाईक इट थोडंसं वॉर्म असतानाच बटाटे मी फोडणीला घालते. सो मग ती भाजी छान मिळून येते. सो छान असे परतून घ्या. मी 5 मिनटं लागणार तुम्ही बटाटे घातल्यानंतर परतायला. जस्ट परतून घ्या आणि त्याच्यानंतर गार करून त्याचे आपण गोळे करून घेऊया टू मेक द बटाटे वडे. अँड देन आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. 24 vadas are ready and I'm going to start frying them. I've kept the oil for frying and I'm going to show you the batter that I'm making for the vadas. So for 24 vadas I've taken 1 1/4 cups of besan. To that I've added 4 to 5 tablespoons of rice flour, about 1/4 teaspoon of ENO, 1 teaspoon of haldi and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and about 1 1/2 teaspoon of salt. The reason I'm adding the rice flour because it makes nice crispy covering of the vadas. So that's how you want it. And I'm going to add the water now as needed because you don't want the batter too flowy either. Added about 3/4 cups of water. I'm going to add a little bit more. So a little more than 3/4 cups of water I've added to 1 cup of besan flour now. Whisk it and make sure there are no lumps. That's the consistency you want. So I kept the oil for heating. Let's see if it's heated now. Yes, it's perfectly hot now, so I'm going to start adding my vadas. Whenever you add vadas, make sure you use a spoon so that there won't be finger marks on your vadas. जेव्हा आपण घालतो ना तेव्हा असा चमचाच यूज करा सो दॅट त्याला असं आपली बोटं लागत नाही आणि ते पीठ निघत नाही, असं निखळून येत नाही. सो ट्राय दिस वे. आणि तांदळाची पिठाची जी ट्रिक आहे ती माझ्या आईची आहे. इट्स लाईक त्याच्यामुळे एवढे छान होतात ना. नाही तर ते बाहेरचे काही काही वड्यांना एवढं जाड कवरिंग असतं ना कोटिंग, जसं फरसाणवाल्यांकडे वगैरे मिळतात. दॅट्स नॉट टिपिकल आर वडास दॅट वी आर यूज टू, लाईक महाराष्ट्रीयन वडास. Keep the flame on medium, like medium, don't keep it. Now you can see your vadas are nicely done and nicely golden in color, and that's how you want your vadas. So I'm going to take it out and drain them on a tissue paper or so. And likewise I'm going to fry rest of my vadas. I'm going to show you how to plate them with our homemade pav that we're going to make. I hope you all liked the first year anniversary episode of Heart to Palate, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Heart to Palate.